Hi everyone. So we are still in Snowdonia and we are going to a waterfall. It's a 30 minutes walk to the mountains, and yes, it will be a lovely experience and I'll show you around. So we have to climb the steps, and there is a small cafe over here and few parkings for the cars, like 40 spaces. So there you go, that's the name of it, and we begin our journey here. Such a great experience, guys. As you all know, I love going for trekking, especially exploring waterfalls, and it's going to be a lovely experience today. They said it's just 30 minutes walk, but let's see how much time it takes for me. There are some cute dogs here. Need to keep walking. A small stream going downstairs, and lots of people coming to explore this waterfall. I guess the experience, to explore waterfall is, going through all the streams and the steps, going to the forest, listening to the sounds of the birds. That's fun. That's what makes the experience memorable. So we are still not even halfway, so let's keep going. It's so calm in this area. Here you can see even the young children, they're like not tired of going through this forest, climbing, and they have made to the waterfall and they are coming back now. And yeah, it's still going. Keep going. I'm already tired. Grayson is a lot ahead of me. I have to make sure to get him. Look at the beauty of this place, guys. We have a small bridge over here which we have to turn and go across. Love the nature, love the greenery, love the sound of the water, sound of the spring, sound of the birds. Everything is just wonderful. Look how wonderful is this place. It's just amazing. Way to go down. I guess we reached halfway to the waterfall. You can see the view from where we are. You can see the view down. So guys, we have another 20 minutes to reach the waterfall. As you can see, the view from here is so beautiful, and that's the pathway. Let's go. This is a lovely way going to the waterfall. It's not too dangerous. It's just like a few stones, but they are not like, the surface is not slippery unless it has rained. So yes, it's a straight road. See the view here, so beautiful. And a bit of down, can't see much downstairs, but yes, this view is amazing. You can hear the sound of the waterfall, so we are nearly there. Just few minutes left. Finally, I can see the waterfall from here, but we still have few minutes to actually reach down. So let's keep going. You can see the people down there. Look at the place, guys. It's so amazing, so beautiful. Nature is so beautiful. So we are totally exhausted. So we need to reach there. But we are going on top of the waterfall. We do not know the way to go down the waterfall, and we really do not want to go on our own without there's no pathway down. We can't see any pathway down, so we have decided to go on top of the waterfall. We won't get the best view, but that's all we can do. So come on, let's go with me. You all can see, guys, we have come a long way. We're almost tired. I can't walk anymore, but still I'll not lose hope. Grayson is ahead of me. We will reach on top of the fall because I've seen that fall in Google and I really want to go and explore that. I'm not going to lose hope, and I'm going to keep going. So we have come all the way from down. There are people still walking up. Yes, so let's keep going. Come on. But the views, guys, amazing as always. Snowdonia is the best place if you want to get the views of the mountains, like continuous mountains. It's mountains and mountains everywhere. Amazing views. Can never get enough of this place. Almost there. You can see so many people out there enjoying the views of waterfall. So finally we are here. There you can see Grayson there, and that's the bridge. Oh, finally, almost we have reached there. Finally reached to our destination. See, I never lose hope, and we have made it. See the spectacular view from here, guys. So amazing. People actually have bath over here. I had seen that in Google. See, the views is so beautiful, just beautiful. There is a small stone bridge they have made, which is a little bit scary. But I'm sure it's not dangerous because people have been crossing here. It's really lovely. Check out the waterfall, guys. Amazing, amazing view. So happy to be finally reached to this place, and a must visit to this place, guys. Amazing, just beautiful. So that's all for today. Let's hope to make a better trip next time. But to tell you, Snowdonia was the best place to visit. It can't be any better trip than Snowdonia. It's lovely waterfall, guys. I will post the address of this waterfall in my description, so do visit this place. Take care, bye bye, and enjoy.